Never he criticizes. So he said, don't criticize the person, but criticize the sin which he has done. Merciful to all. Whether the devotee accepts it or whether in the hospital, whether is going to jail. So in the hospital he used to